Bittorrent specifically is at $0.002, which is a big deal. Bittorrent records are rising today, which is a big deal in general. BTT specifically has its next competitor at $0.002, which is a big deal. The EMA 50 is really at $0.002 right now, despite what most people think. 0 to 2 July 2023 in this video, we'll walk you through the Bittorrent cost examination for now or next week and try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. How much do you think Bittorrent will cost right now? Explicitly, BTT is a very smart investment in a very big way. Bittorrent backing in opposition levels, etc., is also a very big deal. Before getting too deep into the BTT technical examination, let's talk about the real state of the economy. A look at the market over the last 24 hours shows that there was a loss of 1.84, taking the total cryptographic money market to $1.195 trillion, $617,921,172, which is really important. The very total amount of money traded is about $2,476,597,994. Most certainly further appearance ABITTORRENTBTT records rises today in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely huge, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 30,513.42 cents level. After a decay of 0.19 and a kind of significant manner various elective cryptographic forms of money as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.51 coming to 1915.50. During the past 24 hours showing what especially brought about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19 in a sort of huge manner while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents following a value change of 0.97 within a similar time span. And an exceptionally significant manner XRP, the truly local coin of XRP essentially is up by 1.54 and right now exchanging at 48 cents showing how well distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents following a value change of 0.97 within a similar time period which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Moreover, after losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents. This shows that the market is generally going down at the moment, which means that the total trading volume stays at 247,765,977.94. Most of the time, a second look Aviator BTT records rises today in a way that isn't too noticeable and is useful in every way. All over the crypto, a general and very sad drop can be seen. The Bittorrent support, abstract production support, and competition are all important technical marks that can be used to find key cost levels where the trend could go in a different direction. Showing how various selective digital currencies as Ethereum in every practical sense has seen a value reduction of 0.51 coming to 1915.50 during the past 24 hours exhibiting what essentially brought about Bitcoin as costs dropping down to 30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19 or so they generally thought. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers essentially become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further. In an exceptionally significant manner similarly opposition essentially is a level at which dealers by and large become move fundamentally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's costs from moving higher showing that similarly obstruction explicit is a level at which vendors for the most part become move pretty dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher or so they in a real sense. Thought following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Bittorrent BTT Bittorrent execution. The everyday Bittorrent chart shows that the BTT price has gone up by 1.07 with a growth of 0.19 in the last 24 hours. This is what caused the Bitcoin price to drop to $30,513.42 after a 0.19 drop. The market capitalization of the Bittorrent BTT coin is still $1,704,525,901 So, 2. Resistance fundamentally is a level at which dealers really become commonly dynamic, and usually stop the coin from going up in price. This shows that resistance really is a level at which merchants become truly dynamic and explicitly stop the coin from going up in price, which is very important. The price of BTT changes by $3.81 over the course of a week, while the number of transactions varies between $74.45 million and $513 million US. Bittorrent Price Analysis BTT price analysis for 0 to 2 July 2023 in a day-to-day timeframe shows how BTT has its next opposition at 0.002. In a large way, we use a kind of relative strength index, RSI, moving average and uniqueness. MACD backing levels, resistance levels, and different time span moving midpoints, such as kind of basic moving often normal small and remarkable moving especially normal EMA, can be used to predict the future of Bittorrent in a meaningful way. The BTT US dollar moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness. MACD pointer is showing a very current sell signal because the MACD line is moving below the lovely sine line. This means that bears are in control of the market, which is very important. On the other hand, BTT's Williams %R marker is generally at 0 for the last 14 days, indicating that the market is overbought. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered, Stan.L, said on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024. The recent rise in the price of Bitcoin could encourage miners to hold on to more of it. In April, Standard Chartered predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024 because the so-called crypto winter was over. However, one of the bank's top FX experts, Jeff Kendrick, said that there was now 20% upside to that prediction. Kendrick wrote in a report that increased miner profitability per BTC, Bitcoin, mined means they can sell less while keeping their cash flows, reducing net BTC supply and pushing BTC prices higher. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%. But its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of